Today we're cutting into a brand new RX7 quarter panel.
Alright, Derek, so what's going on here?
We're cutting this brand new RX7 quarter panel.
And why do we have a brand new quarter panel?
Well, it was hit pretty good on the side and there were some bad repairs done to it, so we decided just to replace the whole thing rather than try to repair it. It was irreparable. And the rocker panel is also replaced underneath. There's a side skirt on there right now, but that has all been replaced also.
Maybe throw some photos in later.
Yeah.
Alright, now why do we gotta cut it? We got our flares there, right?
Yeah, so we're installing a Shine Auto burnout kit. So basically we're cutting it for tire clearance. And this will get molded on later. Grab the wrong side. There you go.
Mint, glue it on.
Yeah.
What did we do?
What did we do? Buy a new quarter panel. Nobody's gonna know.
How are they gonna know? They're gonna know. It's made some cuts, and now we're just welding it together here. We got our 4-foot long bar. Hold that up there nice and tight if we can focus in on it. There it is. What do you think, Derek?
It's good. So far, so good.
But we need update clips.
Yeah, not of this.
Nah, once it's painted, it'll be fine. All right, I'll look at this side. All right, this side's nicer. Hey, this is a good side.